Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to read this passage and we're going to highlight any words, like highlight with your crayon or your pencil, any words that have all, L, or ill in them as we review our phonograms. So let's read this together. So put your finger under the first word. Ready? Let's read together. He can still see the ball. Can you fill it all up? I can tell how tall you are. They will sell you the bell. Do you want to call Bill? Good. Now we're just going to write all of the words that we underlined under the correct phonogram. So the first word we underlined is still. So what does still go under? Yeah, it goes under ill. So we're going to write S-T-I-L-L. S-T-I-L-L. Okay, the next word we wrote is ball. So let's write it under all. B-A-L-L. The next word is fill. F-I-L-L. The word after that is all. A-L-L. Now on this third line we have tell and tall. So let's write them where they go. Tell and then tall. Okay, we have three words on the next one. Will, sell, and bell. So will, sell, bell, and two more. We have call and bill. Call and bill. Perfect. Now on the other side of your paper, you have the all word family. So you've done these all year, so you know what to do here. And then when you're finished, do what your teacher would have you do next.